Hey, I thought I would show you how to do a sky replacement in a Twilight. Not sure how else to say that one, but how about if we get to it? So as you can see, this is the one Twilight shot here, and I'm just going to put my preset in. I'm going to brighten it up. As you can see, greens are all the way up too, but I'm going to do this. Bring my exposure up, something like that. And I want to straighten the shot out a little bit. This is of course your preference, but I think I sort of like that. I'm going to there, I think that works out great. Right click, and I can edit that into Photoshop. So I always like to start in Lightroom. Lightroom is actually one of my favorite photo editing programs, but Photoshop does what Lightroom cannot. I use this as a thumbnail too. I use this as a thumbnail in the video tour. So I don't think, look at that, that looks funny. Something else. I wonder how that one would look. That to me is a little bit too dramatic. It might work. It does work actually. It's pretty good, but what I notice is that I don't know if that's missing there, as you can see, or what, but I want to see what else can I use? So to me, that looks a little too scary. Let's see. That one's not bad. This is the one I used in the thumbnail, and I thought it was the kind of most realistic for the shot. I could have used a couple of those other ones, but this one I can play around with. Well, I can play around with any one of them, really. I need to brighten that. Not too much. Just a little bit. What's the temperature like? So I can, yeah, that's a little bit too warm. But I like a contrast. You see a little bit of pink, there's a little bit of blue. And I could flip it to see what that looks like. That's not bad, but I like it to surround the house. But I also got to remember there's other photos in there too. Okay, let's just leave it like that. That seems pretty good. That would be my shot. I would be pretty happy with that, and so hopefully the client is too. Okay, so let's save this. I want to do another comparison.